Let's see a procedure that helped me to remove this warning message from WebGL builds. To begin with, I'm using this setup. In project settings, player publishing settings, the compression format parameter is set to disabled. If you don't build in this way, the method we are gonna see will most likely not work. Now, here I have the files that are exported when building in Unity. To remove the error message, what I did was to go into the build folder, create a new text file, and give it the extension .htaccess. Be careful here, make sure you have the file name extensions checkbox checked, because what we need is an htaccess file and not a txt file with the name .htaccess. That's different, we need an htaccess file. Once you have the file, open it with Notepad and enter this. Save the file, and with this we are already done, and you can upload all the files to the server. Doing this, in my case, the error was solved. This is my latest game. If I open it, I get the warning message, so let's fix it using this procedure. Here I have the FTP client ready to upload to my server. I go into the build folder of the game, and inside I drag the htaccess file I just created. Now, if we open the application again, here I press Ctrl F5 to do a hard refresh, and now the application loads without problems. Let's make one more test in guest mode. And as you can see, in this case, it also loads without any problems. I hope you found this video useful, and see you in the next one. Cheers!